going to click on C5 and hit the divide and click on total income. And then here we're going to press F4 to put the dollar signs around it, except we want it to be $8. What's going to happen there is we can copy this formula down, and the total income portion of the formula will not change. And then we're going to press enter. And then I'll show you what would happen if there is no income here for Jack. We'll get a 0. And if there's no income at all, you're going to get this error type of message. And now what I'm going to show you is a formula called IFERROR. We're going to input into this formula that will get rid of this error message. And what we're going to do now is press F2, press the home button, click your right arrow, so it's going to be equal, and you type in IFERROR, hit the tab button, and you leave the formula as is, but now we're going to put in a comma and a parenthesis and a 0 and a percent and another, did I say parenthesis? I meant quotation mark. Now another quotation mark, and then you close the parentheses and press enter. So now after you do that, we're going to make it right aligned. Right. Click this to make it to the right. And with this formula, actually I need to put these amounts back in. I'm going to left click on column C, then right click and make a comma. Then on column D, we're going to right click and click the percentage. We're going to copy, that's Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and Ctrl V. And you can see where the boxes are being highlighted by pressing the F2 button just to double check. You can see blue is highlighted here, and the green's highlighted down here. This tells you the blue and this is showing you the green. That's perfect. Just hit Ctrl C to copy, and then Ctrl V under mortgage. And then now what's going to happen is you hit F2 and it's taking the mortgage amount, because that is C11, and it's dividing by C8, which is total income. Now we just have to take this box and then move it down to the total for the household. Press enter. And then what you can do really quickly is just hold down the shift button, go all the way down to yard maintenance. What's up? Yard maintenance. And hit Ctrl D, copies all the percentages down. We'll do the same thing. Just copy this down to the next row or next grouping. Hit F2. Take this box, move it down to total auto. Press enter. Highlight, bring it all the way down. Ctrl D. Copy this one, bring it here. Use your mouse, use keyboard, hold down shift, left click here, and then Ctrl D brings it all the way down. Actually, I forgot to copy this down, so we'll fix that real quick. Just verify this one, that one's good, those are good. Ctrl C, copy, Ctrl V to paste. F2, change the totals do its own groupings, bring it down. Same thing for groceries. So next, what we need to do is put in the percentages for the total amounts. I'm not going to do it for the total income because this is the 100%. Income is, when you add all three of these boxes, it equals 100. There's no need for me to put in 100% there. You can if you like, but I think it's not necessary. So for total household, what I'm going to do is, the easiest way to take a formula and use it somewhere else is just to copy it and paste it here. Now, actually let me take one of these, this one, and paste it here. And what's going to happen is it's taking the total household and it's dividing it by total auto. We're going to take this box and we're going to move it down to total expenses and then press the enter key. Then we can take this one and just copy it and paste it total auto, paste it in total loan, paste it in total other, and total groceries. Hit F2, you can see that total expenses is highlighted and total groceries. What this percentage is doing, it's telling you for the grouping what the percentage of the grouping expenses is as an overall expense. So, and these little percentages is within this grouping itself. So cell phone is 6% of total. Life insurance is 3% of this total other. Let's see, child care is 49% of total other. But as an overall expense, big picture look, total other is 24%. Total loan is 14%. 21% is for total auto. 24% for total household. And our total expenses, we're going to also copy this here, and instead of C54, oops, there we go, C54, we're going to turn this into C8s. And also for profit and loss. 19% here under the profit and loss section means that you made a 19% increase and you are a 19% profit. Total income was $8,500. Total expenses was $6,900. Since income was greater than expenses, you have a gain, and your gain is 19%.